Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by stopping the game and preserving your worlds. Copy the Minecraft/saves folder to a safe location. Next, close the launcher and kill any Java, exe, or Minecraft processes so files aren't locked. Then open your Minecraft directory and go into versions. Look for folders labeled with beta tags or old version numbers. Once located, make sure you can identify beta jars and JSON files belonging to that version before removing anything. This prevents deleting the wrong build. Now you delete the beta artifacts safely. Delete the entire folder for that beta inside. Minecraft/versions including the jar and JSON. Then open launcher profiles and remove any profile pointing to that beta version, making sure a stable profile remains. If crashes or conflicts persist, clear cached libraries tied to that beta by removing matching entries in Minecraft/libraries. But do this only if you understand dependencies, because removing shared libraries can break other versions. Finish by launching Minecraft and selecting a stable release to verify the beta is gone. Load a test world to confirm normal behavior. If worlds won't open, restore them from your saves backup rather than copying files from the removed beta folder. If you still see errors or missing assets, clear the launcher cache and reinstall the launcher. This refreshes manifests and libraries. One key tip: if the game reports missing files, check the launcher logs for the exact missing path before re-downloading.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.